Hi there, my name is Hope Jakobsen. I am in the marketing program, and this week for Principles of Management, I am going to be talking about a social media platform that can be used in business. So I typically use LinkedIn. For a lot of my social media networking. So this is my profile on LinkedIn. So currently I am a marketing intern and client services specialist at Jakobsen Wealth Management in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. I have 141 connections, and I basically have my entire resume uploaded onto my LinkedIn page. As far as a cover letter, I do not have that listed, but that would be something that could be beneficial. So I have all of my experience listed here, and education, skills, interests, and of course messaging, which is a really awesome aspect of LinkedIn. It really keeps you in the loop as far as in a business setting. It's really great for networking. If we're working with a client at work, it's really easy for me to reach out on LinkedIn, and a decent amount of our clients are connections on LinkedIn already. So it's really awesome. I enjoy using it. I can connect with my instructors at LTC, and you just have so many more opportunities. As far as networking, there are many people that you can connect with as well. I have a lot of people that I either went to college with or high school with, and sometimes they know people that are looking for a position, or they just share updates with their current employment status as well. If you look on the left here, you'll see recent hashtags, and then you can also click on that hashtag and see some rather popular uses of that hashtag in post form. It's really great for recruitment as well. If you're looking to hire an employee, a lot of times you can come to LinkedIn and search by the area or the skill set for the position that you are looking to hire. And like I said, I really enjoy using it for my job, and I created my LinkedIn for a school project, but it has just helped me in so many ways, and it's definitely important to be out there as far as social media marketing, great connections, just being familiar with the platform, reaching out to clients. Building those relationships is really important. So having a firm presence on LinkedIn can help you achieve those things, and I enjoy using it. So this is my social platform of choice.